Hello, and welcome to the Erudus product tour for manufacturers. This video will give you an overview of the functionality within your manufacturer account. When you log in, you'll be taken to your manufacturer dashboard. Here, you will be presented with your company's profile information, as well as information about the account and action items on the left side of the screen. We can see how many products we have in their varying states of publication, your product visibility within the Erudus data pool, how many users we have on the account, aging product specifications that require review, outstanding product errors that have been reported, and any unconfirmed or unread alerts on the account. All of these boxes are linked, and clicking them will take you to the relevant area of your account. We also have several buttons at the top of the page that allow us to manage our account, which we will explore now. Firstly, you'll want to ensure your account information is correct by clicking the Profile button and ensuring that all of the relevant contact information is complete. At the bottom of the page, you are able to add additional addresses to your profile if you operate multiple manufacturing sites. Any of the additional addresses can be applied to your product specifications once they have been set up in the profile. Once you have reviewed your company's profile information, you'll want to make sure that any users that require access have been added to the account. Adding a user is really simple. Just click the Add User button on the right side of the screen, and you will be asked to enter the user's email address and select their level of access. Admins can manage company profile information, users, and product data. Editors can manage product data on the account, but they can't manage users or company profile information. And users are search-only users that can view published specifications on the account, but aren't able to edit or publish any specifications. Once you have entered the email address and selected the role for the user, click OK, and the user will receive an email with their account password. Once a user has been added to the account, the user will enter a pending status until they log in for the first time. They have 14 days to do so before the user account will be removed for inactivity. The Alerts button will take you to the Alert Center, where you can review any unread and historic alerts for the account. To mark an alert as read, just click on it to be taken to the alert details. Clicking the Accreditations button will show you a list of all of the currently published accreditations on your Erudus account. To publish an accreditation to your account to make it available to your customers, you just need to click the Add New Accreditation button and upload the file and complete the accreditation details before clicking the Save button. If you are a manufacturer that has multiple different brands for your products, you can use the Brands button to be taken to the Brand Management area. Here, you can see the brands that you have set up and the number of products that are associated with those brands. Adding a new brand to your account is easy. Just type the name of the brand in the text box at the top of the page and then click Add Brand. This means when you are creating products in Erudus, you can associate specific products with specific brands. And if you need to delete or rename a brand in this list, just use the buttons at the end of the row for that brand. When you receive a product data error notification, you can click the Product Errors button to view any outstanding product errors on the account. You can click the View/Respond button for a particular error and respond to the customer that has submitted the error. When the error has been resolved, you can mark it as such by using the yellow Mark Resolved button, and the user that submitted the error will be notified that the issue they raised has been dealt with. The Product Visibility list will show you, of the products you have published on your account, which wholesalers have attached their product codes to your products, and how many products they have linked up to. A great way to ensure that your customers are accessing all the data they need to reduce the number of requests you will need to respond to. The Products button is where you manage all of the product data within your account. Here you can filter product specifications on your account by their status or by the brand they belong to. At the end of the row for each product, there is an Edit button and a Menu button that will give you options to copy specifications to a new draft and remove products from your account. Adding a new product to your account is really easy. Just click the Add New Product button, complete the product name attributes, and select the specification type for your product. There are several different product-specific specification types that will remove unnecessary attributes and include product-specific attributes to the specification. If there is not a specification type that is appropriate for your product, then you can use the generic specification type. If you are making a private label product for a brand owner that uses Erudus, you can select them here. Otherwise, just leave the brand owner as manufacturer's own. Then, clicking the Continue button will take you to the product editor. In the editor, you can use the navigation bar on the left side of the screen to move through the different areas of the specification. Similar attributes are grouped together for ease of completion. Mandatory attributes are marked with a red asterisk, and if you aren't sure what's expected when completing an attribute, you can click the blue tooltip next to the attribute name to view the sidebar guidance for information on how to complete the attribute, as well as information regarding any potential validations for the attribute. You can save the draft specification at any time by using the Save button at the top of the page, and when you're ready to publish your product specification, just click the red Publish button and you will be taken to the Publish options, such as setting a future publication date for the specification if necessary. When you are happy that all the information is correct, just click the green Publish Now button, and your product will be published to the data pool and available to you and your customers instantly. And that's it! That concludes our tour of an Erudus manufacturer account. If you have any questions while using Erudus, please contact Erudus support at support@erudus.com or call 0333 121 8999.